The A400M is the proven, certified and in operations most advanced airlifter with 21st century state-of-the-art technologies. The A400M can airlift in its large cargo bay most of the critical armed forces equipment that no longer fits in previous generation tactical airlifters, such as a heavy helicopter, an infantry fighting vehicle or a humanitarian excavator. Thanks to its combined strategic and tactical capabilities, the A400M has proven better range, speed, altitude, payload and tactical performance than previous generation tactical airlifters, enabling the delivery of game-changing capabilities to the point of need, such as next to a natural disaster or a theater of operations, where strategic airlifters cannot operate. The A400M enables cost-effective and rapid response to crises. The aircraft has also demonstrated its worth in supporting humanitarian and disaster relief operations as well as VIP transport. The A400M was launched in May 2003 to respond to the combined needs of 7 European nations regrouped within OCCAR: Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Spain, Turkey and the UK, with Malaysia joining in 2005. The A400M assembly takes place in Spain. The wings, largely designed with composite materials, are manufactured in the UK, while the fuselage is built in Germany. The A400M made its first flight on 11 December 2009. The first production aircraft was delivered to the French Air Force in August 2013 and entered into service a year after. The A400M already has seen operational use with the French and Turkish Air Forces in Afghanistan, the Central African Republic, African Sahel region Mali, and in the Middle East to support the air operations over Iraq and Syria. Previous generation tactical airlifters have good tactical performance but cannot carry the outsized military and humanitarian relief loads because their cargo holds are too small. Current strategic aircraft are good outsized load airlifters but are costly and have limited tactical capability as they cannot operate from soft fields. The A400M is a larger, more modern, truly versatile aircraft specifically designed for today's requirements and those of the future. Thanks to its good tactical performance and the ability to carry overweight loads over long distances, the A400M fills the current logistic and tactical capability gap. With the cockpit flight deck located at the very front of the fuselage, much of the internal space is reserved for cargo. The aircraft's internal dimensions include a cargo hold usable width of 4 meters 13 feet 1 in, height of up to 4 meters 13 feet 1 in, and usable length of 17.7 meters 58 feet. Thanks to its state-of-the-art technologies, including its 4 unique Europrop International (EP) TP400 turboprop engines, the A400M has the capability to fly distances up to 4,800 nm 8,900 kilometers at a cruising altitude up to 37,000 feet 11,300 meters and at a speed of up to Mach 0.72, very similar to that of a turbofan-powered airlifter. It can even fly up to 40,000 feet 12,200 meters for special operations. This gives the potential for strategic logistic missions. Flying faster, the A400M can respond more rapidly to crises because greater distances can be flown in one crew duty day. Also, as it can fly higher, the aircraft can cruise above poor weather and turbulence found at medium altitudes, resulting in less fatigue for the crews, passengers or troops alike. Designed from the outset to be a dual-role transport and tanker aircraft, the A400M provides air forces with a cost-effective way to acquire an air-to-air refueling capability in addition to a versatile logistic and tactical airlifter. The standard A400M aircraft has much of the equipment and software provisions for two-point air-to-air refueling operations already installed as standard. Any A400M can be rapidly reconfigured to become a tactical two-point tanker able to refuel probe-equipped receivers at their preferred speeds and altitudes. With a basic fuel capacity of 63,500 liters, 50,800 kilograms, which can be even further increased with additional cargo hold tanks, the A400M is the most capable tactical tanker on the market. Airbus completed certification flight tests for the A400M cargo hold tanks (CHT) refueling unit in 2019, taking a major step toward the aircraft's full certification for aerial tanker duties.